Hello, hi, welcome to this video. This is Arvind Mota. We look at the trade setup and market view for the first week of January. And first of all, wish you a very happy New Year 2021. I hope you have a great year ahead. So, looking at the charts, let's start with Nifty. See on the weekly chart, Nifty has been in a very strong uptrend, right? So this was like a dragonfly doji pattern, and again there is continuation of uptrend. So the trend is still up, and there is a good chance of further upside. You can see 14,200 could be possible looking at this Bollinger Bands, and it is like going on the line of the outer range of Bollinger Bands. So that is a good sign of a strong momentum on the upside. Right now, coming to daily chart. Okay, so daily chart, let me just expand this. Okay, you can see here it took support at 20-day moving average, and from there the trend has been strong in the upside, and the last 3-4 days is consolidation. It's a very strong what do you call, one thing you can notice very easily is it's just consolidating, moving sideways, which is understandable after this big move on the upside, and it may consolidate little more also, but the momentum is looks like it's continuing on the upside. So 14,092 is what I'm looking at on the spot levels. And in terms of support, there is a very strong support at 13,850, 860 zones. You can see here both these lows. This will be a very strong support. In case Nifty again tends to go sideways with a negative bias, it will still give fresh buying opportunities at 13,860, 870 zones. Right, that will be a very strong support. Immediate support at 14,000 being a round number, 13,950 to 14,000 will still be immediate support. That will be a buying opportunity for the near term, right? So on the upside, if it's holding above 14,000, logically it will start testing higher levels. 14,100 to 200 is what I'm expecting in this coming week. That's on Nifty. And coming to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also, after this big move on the upside, is taken a pause. It's just moving sideways, which is understandable again, as expected. It's once it hits the Bollinger Band, is kind of moving sideways, right? So the range is 31,000 to 31,500. So it is kind of sideways. 31,000 will be a very strong support. And if you look at the internals of Bank Nifty, let me refresh this. You can see it's very sideways, very narrow range. So any kind of dips to 31,000 will still be a good buying opportunity. Stop loss just below that, maybe 30,950 could be a stop, and you can continue to go long. And once it takes out 31,400 acting as an immediate resistance zone, you can see here this whole zone here, and you can expect 31,500. Once this is taken out, it will start going towards 32,000. So that is the view. And I'm more positive and bullish on Nifty than Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is kind of sideways, not much of momentum. But if you look at the internals of Nifty, you can see here there is clear uptrend is visible, right? And any kind of dip will still be buying opportunities. So trend is looking more on the upside in Nifty than in Bank Nifty. But clearly both the indices look to be moving sideways and consolidate this coming week and start to move again on the upside. Okay, so again a clearly buy on dips approach. And look at SGX Nifty. You can see here this kind of dip got bought into 13,950, 960 again is a very strong support, and we saw buying activity coming in. So a close above 14,000 is positive for Nifty on spot levels also. So this is a very good sign that it may continue to hold support at 13,950 to 14,000, right? So coming to FI data. FI data is very minimal on 1st of January. Only our markets was open, so nothing much to read there. But overall, in terms of volume, it's very high. Even after November 65,000 crores, still it's moving on the very good volume, right? So this, if it's continuing, obviously there's more cash flow coming in, and that will keep the market higher. And another thing we have to notice is the upcoming earnings season for quarterly results, right? Q4 results will start coming up, and that may also keep the markets cheerful. So that's the view. And looking at the US markets, look at S&P 500. You can see here it's given a breakout. So even in my earlier videos, I mentioned 3700 is the strong supply, and that has been taken out. Now it will act as the support. As long as if S&P is staying above this, I think 3800 could be possible. So this is a clear breakout sign, and US markets are looking positive. And looking at Dow Jones, okay, let's look at the weekly chart. Also, you can see the weekly chart also is given a breakout, right? So that is a positive sign. And let's look at the daily chart, also on the breakout zone. So clearly on the upside, since it's going outside the Bollinger Band, maybe it will consolidate, come back inside, and then start moving up higher. But there's no clearly there's no sign of weakness on any of the global markets or on the Indian markets. So there is clearly a buy on dips kind of an approach which we can take. So that is my view on the market, and any kind of dips here, that will be a buying opportunity. So that is my view. So for trading purpose, just take note of these levels, 13,850 for positional trades. This could be a buy zone, and for near-term trades, any dip towards 13,950, 400, we can buy call options of intraday futures and start holding. Even for positional longs, we can start building long positions. So the same thing with Bank Nifty. Any dip toward 31,000, you can start buying Bank Nifty. All right, so that's my view. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for getting more such videos. And once again, Happy New Year to all of you, and stay connected. If you'd like to join my Telegram support or my live market services or personal coaching or consultation, you can check out the link in the description, and you can also WhatsApp or email me and the number given, the details given in the description box. Thank you so much for staying, and take care. Bye bye.